Ribbit, you know how a tiny frog grows up? Let's jump into the pond and find out the frog's amazing life cycle. Every frog starts life as a bunch of tiny eggs floating in water. They look like little jelly bubbles. A frog mommy lays hundreds of them at one swow. After a few days, the eggs hatch into tadpoles. They look more like little fish than frogs, no legs yet, just a tail and gills to help them swim. Now the tadpole starts to change. It grows tiny back legs, and then from legs, its tail starts to shrink, and lungs begin to grow. It's getting ready to hop on land. This stage is called a froglet. It's like a baby frog with a little tail still hanging on. It can jump and breathe there now. Now the froglet becomes a grown-up frog. It has no tail, long legs, and can live on land and in water. It can also lay eggs and start the cycle all over again. From egg to tadpole to frog. What a cool journey! Thanks for hopping along with us today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leap into our next adventure.